guys, what's up? My name is Shelby and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? It's nice to have you here. I'm going to be doing a special effects makeup tutorial, and right now during the month of October I am doing 31 days of Halloween. So if you want to see more Halloween costumes and makeup looks and vlogs, then hit the subscribe button and stick around. I mean, there's so much more coming and I'm super excited about it. But today I'm just going to be doing a pretty simple look, and it's a pretty cool Halloween costume you could wear. So basically the concept is you could dress up as a nerd, you know, and have a pencil through your nose. So I did this look when I first started doing makeup, so it's definitely doable for even beginners if you're trying to test out your makeup skills. And it's just a fun look to try. You can mess around with shadows and bruising and try to make your nose look kind of wonky. But yeah, I really like this look and I enjoyed doing it in the past, so I'm going to be doing it again today. So the first thing I did was cut my pencil. So the top part of it I have at an angle so that it will sit on my face flat and it'll just sit there more easily. And then the bottom part, I cut a space about that big in between, in the center of the pencil, because part of the pencil will be inside your nose, of course, so you don't want to keep the pencil, just cut it once in half. You want to cut a gap in the middle too, the length that would be inside your nose. So I did that earlier and I prepped it, and this is just a regular number 2 pencil, and I sharpened the end of it just because it needs to have a point to be able to bust through your nose. So the first thing I'm doing is just putting up my hair and getting it all out of my face. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking the top part of my pencil with the point on it, and I have the angle on it, but I'm just going to be attaching a piece of cotton ball to that part, the part that's going to be sitting on my skin, just so that it can attach a little bit better. I feel like when I attach something like an object to my face, it always sticks better when I add another layer, so a texture of some kind, and I really like cotton balls for that. So I'm just placing the cotton ball, I'm putting some liquid latex on the pencil, and I am adding the cotton on top of it, and then I'm just picking the cotton away from the places where it's just kind of like not sticking to the liquid latex. And I'm going to let that dry for a second. So then on the bottom part of the pencil, I'm going to be doing the same thing by adding the liquid latex and cotton ball, but I'm just going to be wrapping the cotton ball around the part of the pencil that is going to be inside my nose, just so that it gives it some cushion in and it's not stabbing me in the brain when it's inside my nose. So I just have the cotton ball on there. I'm going to be doing another little bit of liquid latex on it, and then I'm just going to set that aside to dry. So then I'm just going to hold up the pencil to my face and figure out the angle I want it. I want it to be right there, so I'm just going to be taking a little bit of red eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be putting it where the pencil is going to be, just to give it some irritation and a shadow effect. And I like using spirit gum when I'm attaching stuff like this to my face that's heavier, just so that it sticks a little bit better than liquid latex would. And then I'm just sticking it to my face. So I can't just leave the pencil obviously sticking out of my face, so you need to create something on the bottom of the pencil so that it looks like it's just sticking through the skin. You can use scar wax for this, but I personally am just going to use cotton balls and latex because that's the way I find it easiest. I have that stuck to my face now, and I just used cotton balls and liquid latex and a little bit of tissues to go over the top to kind of even it out. It's not the best job possible, but we're making it work. And now we're just going to be doing the part that goes inside your nose. The first thing I'm doing is just taking the red eyeshadow and going inside my nose a little bit and bringing it down. And then I'm going to be taking some spirit gum and just putting it right here under my nostril. I turn into a mouth breather whenever I get spirit gum too close to my nose. And I'm just holding that down, trying to get it to stick. Now I'm going to be going over the liquid latex and cotton balls with some foundation. Next, after I just did that foundation, I'm going to be taking my Bruise Wheel by Memron, and I'll be doing a little bit of bruising in red around that. So I have a little bit of bruising done around the injury and then into my eye socket, and then I'm just gonna be taking a black eyeshadow and going around the base of the pencil. Then I just added some bruising under this side of the pencil, and I'm just kind of bringing the bruising down and out. So I just have the bruising done, and I'm going to be adding the fake blood now. And I'm just dragging that fake blood up the pencil and putting some on the tip. And then don't forget to add the fake blood to the bottom part. Got a little bit of fake blood around my nostril, and it looks a little too bright. It looks very fake, so I'm just adding some black eyeshadow on top of it to try and darken it up. And then last but not least, I think it makes a huge difference to add highlights in certain places. So I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight right on the bridge of my nose, because I have all this bruising that I've done to kind of show my nose swelling, and it doesn't really show up that well unless you add some highlight. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment down below other videos you may want to see, along with if you've tried this look out, and tag me in any pictures on Instagram. I'd love to see your work. And I'm also doing 31 days of Halloween, so if you would like to see more Halloween costumes and makeup tutorials, don't forget to click subscribe, and more videos will be coming the entire month of October. I think that's it. So until next time, peace out, guys.